Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Professional Creations. Linda's Professional Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in around Philadelphia. We do full service, partial, month of coordinations. We do custom events. We do home staging, decor, events for corporate, fundraiser, anything that need planning. Pretty much in decor, we handle it all. I am a master certified wedding planner and a certified florist. If you are joining my channel for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel where you can learn more information and sign up for a free 30-minute consultation and just browse through my website where it's www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com. Take a look and see some of the works that we have done. I do need to upload more photos. It's crazy because it's wedding season. Matter of fact, you think, you know what? I think I'm gonna hire somebody for that. Because I have so much content during the course of the year, and it's just that me and the staff be so busy to actually take time and sit down and do it. It just, and I have photographers and a lot of people that give information. They just never get a chance to put it up. So maybe now that I'm talking about it, maybe I should hire somebody. But if you do know somebody, please send them my way. Or even if it's you, you know, always looking for bright faces and new people with bright ideas, I should say, not bright faces. New ideas. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little tired and I'm a little under the weather. I'm trying to fight it as much as I can because I have a couple of events. I got Thanksgiving's coming. I got anything. So you know how when you know that cold is brewing, but you can sense it. So I'm trying to fight it, but I'm gonna win. Matter what matter, it's not gonna get me. I'm drinking all my tea, all my remedy, everything that you need. As you can see right here, I got my cup of tea. So to keep me going and everything like that. So today, pretty much, I'm going to talk about what it pays means to support each other and support each other business and support um, friends, family, people small businesses, I would say. And for me, anything that I can do to help my friend, a small business person, I do it because we work. Mm-hmm. We work together as a team, and everybody can bring. Doesn't matter where you're from, who, as long as you are a small business owner who are registered, certified, know what you're doing. Even if you're upcoming and you don't have all the tools that it is, I don't mind helping you and showing the ropes. I'm giving information that what I can because I know when I was where I was, it's other people that helped me, and sometimes most of the things that I did learn, I had to learn by myself. And it was tough finding information, and there was a lot of great people down the way to help me. So I don't mind helping each other. So I will say this: try to support each other. No matter what you do, no matter if you have, let's say sometimes it's crazy. Before I even say that, let me say this that most of my clients that I have are from people that I don't know. And do I know a lot of people that own business? Yes, I do. I do. I know a lot of friends and family. Yes, I started a friends and family. It's not to say that my friends and family don't support me. They're not there for me. They are. But I don't want you to keep yourself in a bubble because sometimes people get disappointed and feel that, oh, well, I have a family member and they don't do this for me and they don't do that. If you're expecting a family member to do that for you, and if they do it, kudos. I'm happy for your family. But most of the time, they don't. And it's not that they don't trust what you're doing or they don't. It's just in that thing is that most of the times they just expect you to either do it or do it for free. And sometimes even you as a person, you feel bad charging your family the prices that it is your price. So I want it to supplement me? Yeah. There are a lot of times that it don't. It's okay. You gotta look at it like that. Because I want to establish myself. This is how I take it, and I'm saying everybody can take it. I want to establish myself based on my own bearings. Everything that I have, I want it to be because of me. I don't want somebody to take credit for my hard work. It may seem kind of, kind of sounding cliche or whatever you may call it, But I want my people to see me and say, wow, you know, I saw her grinding, I saw her moving. And I didn't say she didn't give up. So, support each other, support small businesses. When you're starting a business, learn what it is and don't put yourself in a box. And that's a lot of time, that's what people, small businesses do, they put themselves in a box. Don't put yourself in a box. Reach for the styles. And that's major thing. You can reach for the styles all you want, but you have to put in the work. You got to learn the knowledge. You got to act on it. You got to do a lot of things to go forward. Because the thing about it is that what people don't understand is that you can be the most creative person. You can be the most talented person. But a tool that's not properly applied, it goes to waste. If nobody can see that work, yes, when in the beginning it will be tough. It will be hard. But you got to keep pushing. I was reading something today. I think it was Instagram. I was reading something that Steve Harvey tweeted, and he said that he started comedy at the age of 27. From the age of 30 to 33, he was homeless. He lived in his car. He never gave up. He kept pushing. No matter how you gotta work, things don't come easy. It's not just gonna fall in your lap. You're not just gonna wake up one morning gonna be a millionaire. You may have the talent, the skills that it pays to be a millionaire. Yes, but if you don't apply yourself, it's not. People want to see consistency. You have to fight to make your name. You gotta fight. I want my business to be a household name that open, and then I'm not gonna give up. Is that yes, I came a long way. Yes, from where I was yesterday is not where I am today. Where I was 3 years ago is not what I am today. But it took time to it. There's still more that I need to learn and more that I need to do. Yes, I'm still doing it each day that I'm putting in the work. Do I get tired? Do I get weary? Sometimes do I say, oh my God, yes. Those moments happen because I'm human. But when those moments happen, the difference is that I don't give up. When those moments come and I say, you know what, Linda, wake up. What else can you do? What else can you do to, even on days when I want to go to sleep and just say, no, I forget this. Let me just say this. There are times that we all have things that happen in our lives. I lost my brother, but I was still on here, grounding, smiling, talking to people, and go because I made a promise, something that I said I'm going to do. Yes, in that moment, I had all that moment to say, no, I forget it. I'm done. I'm not going to do anything about it. I just need time to be. Yes, did I have that moment to grieve for myself? Yes. But my business still had to go on. I still had weddings that I had to do. Can you imagine hearing your brothers? Like when I heard the news from my brother, I was at a wedding, out of state, in a hotel, just before I went in to get things done. I heard it. I couldn't tell the client, oh, I'm sorry, I can't do it right now. My brother just passed. I couldn't do that. I had to persevere to that moment. I had to put a smile on my face even when I know I didn't. I just want to sit in the corner and cry. But those are some of the moments that I'm talking about. Did I grieve? Yes. And one thing I would say, stop feeling sorry for yourself or stop expecting people to feel sorry for you. I don't tell people a lot of things. I don't. If I'm telling you something, it's because I'm trying to get a different perspective from what I already know. I don't sit there and tell people my problem. I don't sit there and complain. Oh my God, I don't have things. Oh my God, everything is so hard. I don't know what to do. And no, stop it. Stop. Why you want a pity party? Some people enjoy people just sitting there whining and complaining all day. When somebody tell me no for something, I don't just take that no. I will do everything in my power to turn that no around. Now, is there some moment that no doesn't turn around right there? Sure. But I will do whatever I can to come back to that moment to change it. I will learn something from that and say, okay, if you say this, okay, I got you. I can do this, the next time, then I'll get up different results. If I meet one obstacle, I find 10,000 ways to improve that obstacle so I don't have to come back to that moment. That's a teaching moment for me. That's not a moment for me to get down and cry. You gotta be strong. You gotta push forward. That's the only way you're gonna succeed. This was not what I wanted to talk to about, you guys. I don't understand why I came this way, but I'm telling you, perseverance. Keep pushing. You will get there. It may seem impossible. It may seem hard. It may seem some moment that you say, you know, I can't. It happens. But in that split second, when that thought comes, start to try to navigate your way. Okay, you know what? Man, okay, what else can I do differently? What can I do now to get me where I need to be? Don't give up on your dreams. Don't. Thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I definitely will bring more videos up for you guys in regards to flowers, decors, and other things that I'm going to do. I have a whole ton of stuff that I got. Just give me a few moments. I know I said I would do it, but I'm going to try to see if I can do some garland. I'm going to work that out and see how I can say at least a spread or a reef. Since you know what, since Thanksgiving's coming, the holidays coming, maybe we can do a reef together or something like that. But we'll see. Thank you so much. Enjoy your rest of your day.